Hello everyone. Today our topic is Internet. As you know that Internet is the largest computer network in the world that connects billions of computer users. The word Internet comes from combination between interconnection and network. It is sometimes referred as net. It is a worldwide system of computer network, hence it is network of networks. And you know very well that network is a collection of computer and devices connected by communication channel, transmission media that allow you to share resources just as hardware, software, data and information. It has started on 1969 January 2 an experimental computer network. Vinton Cerf is the father of Internet and he is also the co-designer of TCP/IP networking protocol, that is Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. Once you have set your computer, you may want to purchase home internet access so you can send and receive emails, browse the web and more. Now, you may even want to set up a home wireless network commonly known as Wi-Fi. The type of internet services you choose will largely depend upon your ISP, that is Internet Service Provider. Some examples of internet services you use to access are dial-up, DSL cables, etc. Some internet terms are www, web page, web browsers, search engines, FTP, HTTP protocols, etc. Now the first one is www. It is a World Wide Web. It is a system of interlinked hypertext document accessed by the internet. It is a combination of all resources and users on the internet that are using HTTP. It is also known as web and is a collection of websites or web pages shared in web browsers. The difference between web and internet are: internet is a collection of network that connects billions of computers together, and www means we use to access information over the internet. Now the next one is web page. Web page is that in which what you see in your browser when you are to the internet. Thinking of the web page as a page in a magazine. It can consist of your text, photos, images, etc. Now the next one is web browser. It is a software application that enables a user to interact and to display the text, images, sound and other related information on a web page on the web browser. And first web browser was developed in 1991. Now the different types of web browsers are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, etc. Now the next one is protocol. It is a set of guidelines, rules or procedures for transmitting data between electronic devices format that agreed to transfer data between two devices. HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. IP, Internet Protocol. Next is FTP, File Transfer Protocol. And next is SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. And last is TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Now the next one term is electronic mail. Electronic mail, abbreviates to email, is a system of worldwide electronic communication. It is a method of sending and receiving messages over the internet. The Advanced Research Project Agency's network made a large contribution to the development of email. Now the advantages of internet are: first one is communication. It is a process of transmitting and receiving symbols, data, images, text, etc. by using various computer devices. It includes the process of collecting, sharing, transferring and storing the information. Now, the next one advantage of internet is research. In order to do research, you need to go through hundreds of tasks as well as the reference, and that was one of the most difficult job to do earlier. Now, the most important is education. You know very well, it is one of the best thing that the internet can provide. There are number of books, reference books, online lectures and other study material on the internet that can make the learning process very easy. Next one advantage is financial transaction. Financial transaction is the term which is used when there is exchange of money. With the use of internet in the financial transaction, your work was become a lot easier with the ability to do the financial transaction easily over the internet. You can purchase or sell items so easily. And the last is for updates. Internet keeps you up to date. Now the next one is disadvantages of internet. The first disadvantage of internet is theft of personal information. The use of internet for banking, social networking or other services often make our personal information to theft. Hackers can access our sensitive information also. Next one, disadvantage is spamming. It refers to sending unwanted emails which serve no purpose and obstruct the computer system. And the next one is malware threats. One of the most annoying problems with the internet is the ease with which any malware can infect computer. Computers connect to the internet are extremely prone to IP targeted viruses attacks that may end up crashing the system completely. Now, the last is social isolation, obesity and depression. The biggest problem with having the internet is its ability to create rifts between the real and virtual world. There is an addiction in the world that pertains to the web, and that includes excessive surfing, online gambling, social networking and gaming addiction also. At the end, we can say that the best use of internet with careful planning and proper management, putting a business on the internet and can make it more effective and productive. Thank you, dear children.